Sims with a video on what I do to repair, restore watch chains. I also do antique jewelry conversions. And so, for example, this has been converted from several parts into a single bracelet. I am going to finish this off. It's not quite done. I need to finish off the jump ring, make that nice and lasered solid. And it has a slide, a multi-gold slide, and a original antique spring ring. This is all solid gold from several different eras. Georgian, Victorian, the chain is Georgian, okay? The slide and everything else is Victorian, anywhere from the 1700s to 1800s. But I'm going to finish that off into a nice permanent piece with another 100 years of wear. Here's another watch chain. This is all original as it came to me. Only thing I really do, for the most part, what I try to minimal change these chains. I will straighten the jump rings or replace the jump ring. Test it. If solid gold is, try to determine the exact age. This one has a nice good hallmark on it. All this has several parts that are hallmarks, so I'm assuming they're original to the chain, but you can't always say that because sometimes these parts are replaced as they wear out. And this is going to be cleaned, and I'm going to solder close several of the open links to make sure it's nice and solid. What I like to do with an antique watch chain is I extend them with these hooks. These come from Morning Jewelry. These have to be tested if they're solid gold or not. A lot of them aren't. I'd say about half of them aren't solid gold. I've seen some that are sold as solid gold and they're not. So these have been tested, and I'm going to do another video on what the tool I use to test these with. Sometimes I have to fix things. I convert things, I repair watch chains, and I also have to fix. Here is a a hook that needs the top has popped off. These are over 100 years old, sometimes 100, usually 150 on an item like this. It was originally here and it spun around. I have determined this is solid gold. If you can see in there, it has a gold core, but it has some non-gold components on the outside. I've decided I'm going to reattach it in this location where it's much sturdier. It won't spin, but that's okay. It'll be usable for another 100 years. These are great.